Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're going to check out an amazing device that can completely upgrade your home entertainment setup, the best Android Smart TV box. If you're looking for a smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing experience on your TV, then stay with us for all the details. Let's get started. Product features: Android 13.0 operating system. The T95 Pro runs on the latest Android 13.0, which means faster performance, smoother interface, and better app compatibility. You'll experience minimal buffering and quick loading, perfect for watching movies, streaming sports, or gaming. Powerful all-winner H618 quad-core processor. At the heart of the device is the all-winner H618 chip, a fast and efficient quad-core processor that ensures everything runs smoothly, from high-definition streaming to multitasking between apps. 5G Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.0. Say goodbye to slow loading. With 5G Wi-Fi 6, you'll get ultra-fast connection speeds of up to 9.6 gigabits per second, perfect for streaming 4K and 6K videos without lag. Bluetooth 5.0 also improves wireless audio for a more immersive sound experience. 6K Ultra HD plus H.265 decoding. If you thought 4K was impressive, this device supports 6K resolution, delivering sharper, more detailed visuals. It also uses H.265 encoding, which reduces bandwidth usage while maintaining high video quality, ideal for smoother playback. Multifunctional Entertainment Hub. Beyond streaming, the T95 Pro lets you browse the internet, use social media, stream music, and even play games, all on your TV. It's like turning your screen into a giant Android tablet. Pros: latest Android 13.0 OS. Powerful quad-core processor. Large internal and expandable storage. Supports 6K resolution and H.265 for smooth playback. Super fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. Multiple connectivity ports. Easy to use and set up. Cons: no voice remote included. Doesn't support Netflix in 4K due to licensing restrictions. May require occasional firmware updates for optimal performance. Final thoughts: if you're looking for an affordable yet powerful solution to enhance your home entertainment, the IQT 95 Pro Android Smart TV box is a fantastic choice. From its modern Android 13.0 OS to its blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 and support for 6K resolution, this little box packs a serious punch. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, the T95 Pro delivers excellent performance without breaking the bank. Check the price link in the description to grab one for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more detailed reviews and smart tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.